So here I have the Dominique Eyebrow Pencil. It's in the shade Black Brown, well, soft black brown. And it's a perfect 4-in-1 to fill in your brows in a light shade so that you can have a little bit of a more fuller brow look. So let's go ahead and test it out. So here's what the brow pencil looks like. And it is a brown framer, so it's to get the perfect shape of your eyebrows and, you know, fill it in a little bit. So here is the tip of the brush. Here is the tip of the brush. It is a perfect, nice, sharp shape. So you can go ahead and start framing your brows. So here, I like to just get it and do little soft strokes in my eyebrows. I do already have pretty thick eyebrows, but it does help me with the shape a little bit. And this product does last all day, and it is perfect to get your eyebrows looking nice and sharp and perfect. And it does do little soft strokes, so if you wanted to do like a few of like these little hair looking strokes, it's perfect for that. So here's the difference in my eyebrows. This one is definitely better shaped than the other one. So let's go ahead and do the other one and I'll show you guys the final results. So this is the final product of my eyebrows. As you can see, it fits my frame of my eyebrows really well. The shade is really perfect. And it's just a nice natural little fill-in, so perfect for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.